Hi, I'm Josh Kirschenbaum from Pan American Seed Company, and this is All America Selection award-winning Midnight Snack Tomato. This is one of my favorite tomato plants. First thing that I wanted to point out is oftentimes you can see that the leaves and even in the stems, there's a little bit of purplish tint to it, and that is very common and normal. There's nothing wrong with the plant. The nice thing about these fruit is they're a cherry tomato, and you can see that like gorgeous purplish shine to the fruit. And one of the questions that we oftentimes get is, how do I know when it's ripe? So what I'm gonna do here is just take one of them. See how it's green on the underside of the fruit? That's clearly an indication that it is not ready yet. You want to harvest these when this portion of the fruit is red. So Midnight Snack, actually, the purpling on the fruit is anthocyanins, the same things that make a blueberry blue. And the portion of the fruit that's exposed to sunlight is the portion that will have that coloration to it. So oftentimes if you just check the bottom of the fruit, when it's red, that's a good indication that it's ready to harvest.